sa akin na lolo, hindi ko talaga yung pero sa gabi, hindi na ang lahat. So, please, make sure na by 5 p.m. nasa auditorium na si lolo with the stockholders at the church. By 7 p.m., magsastart na yung party sa ballroom wherein Lolo is expected to give an announcement regarding the property. Tradition ito. And for the past 20 years, Lolo has never missed a single stockholders event. As it is, marami ng expectations. Do your job and gawin mo ng paraan si Lolo. Okay?
Emergency, B, cashier B. Emergency, B, cashier B. Emergency, cashier B.
Ano, overwhelmed lang po kayo.